everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wɔn ho. Inti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofrahwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe. Ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance ya edi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea yɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no abredare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a, wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada, anɔpa nɔnkron pɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia, ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a, free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan, ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from 7 Sisters Underground.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
For a day, ma for a song or bisa na ye bisa question where you see at the end and they have seen me where you say na fed na what you know no more to one among said Debbie senior questions na ya adults no ye beba mom na ya ba educate community no senior be ya wo sa question bi sa na kyerese wenya mmoaye breko pe ana se bibi kura kire wadwen abrem a ye sa education e de ma community no utumi borem na wo frɛ na mesa betu dwana na wo nso question di wo ho question wo adwendwen ho question o pe answers a wo nya no we de ye free na waba bebisa wa hana lawyer nya abotre otumi nya abotre obisa 100 question nyina kra otimenya abutre eyi ni nyina ano ede mawo na we ompe we na opede nti twe me na wo twe abe me no so fra unu ebi fra dofo bi fra sister o brother fra busua no se emre na so se ye ba be sua ade wo drive kra otumi de tune in na wo tie wo radio otumi de to na wo tie wo adwuma mu kra na phone alawa na hihye waso na wo tie etore bia o se obisa question no akwa bisa na ye koye nim so we hu ade no nti ene nso ye nya lawyer Patrick himself yenya no wa ha oni ye ba betwetwe nkomo mesa edikan echia mo bia michia BWF Solicitors team ne nyina na nse maboko kakra me ho mo ache but mafemo enche bia wo be hu me yo enti no ye ntwentwe ye na se ye waste time already no advert agi ye mre ne fa na na advert no ye besre no so na ma ye ntekwa kakra no na yenim say this very hour no edodo na etie nti na ya na advert no aye tenten kakra nti momfa nche ye bekoso ye waste time cry ye bekoso ene no nioma ye ba besua no ehu hia eye questions ankrofo ebise de bia nkro mikra nkrofo frefre me ebisa me so na menye lawyer yo enti no meko ahoma ne so meko menche memsemre meko mefre me papa lawyer Patrick na ombe mayen nchia kese adofo na etiefo nyina odi nchia ne wie na afede ne ewo no na ye de abetu dwa enti no ye bekọ no brebo na ye very interactive kakra enti good morning lawyer Patrick pacho otime nka twebe me na twu afide ne be me kakra na ye hu enim na afede ye mfa entoto so ho no enti pacho me very good morning anope
manye very very good morning I hope sir ohuye free BWF Solicitors Ebremo yechia etifu nyina so I hope say anopay ubia ho ye nyame ya dom ama ye nyina ya sehia mu biom na sene munim se ye no Fridays bia any the other days na aka aya ye ni mu die hia mu or your various platforms no so no the same thing and necessary yesiemu a ye ba be diri ye ho enkomo fa UK especially immigration law and all of the other areas of law na there be yesiemu a yenimudi ho enkomo no ntino manye na kakra ewo ho no ye dinchia ebremo ne etiefo nyina
yo lawyer Patrick ebeda asietiefo nyina nso si omoje so papa omoje so na no pay yenim se emreko mo batam ye nhwe na watwe mo yatiti ntinsem kitinkiti bi eja ye beka law ni mu de abribia se na ye wo phone na wo ha na upgrade appear ba say you need to upgrade your phone you need to update it you need to update na chese bibi abo ewremu a o say wo de tune wo ho enti no lawyer Patrick mesro ayembia update bi aba na etiti hu ne ehyaase November ne ebe ba be hyaase ne echese hu na eja mo maye ahomatrofo a mo de bia maso da ka ne sen home office efikese maso da ho dendenden se ode se patala na onya kan afi na mo atidada enti no mesro enigire mo update bi wo ho kakra na pacho.
Well, manye, yeah, that's it. Yes, I'm a Tifunyina Aquaba Bium to BWF Solicitors platform, legal hour, and a sabri anymore, a DSCMO. Senya Okaino, Sape penalty, but that's not much, and I no pay. The year Koswa Bohun de Rune, Oma. Yeah, applications are more under the EA regulations, extended family members now, or more apply before the deadline date, 31st of December 2020. Now, for whatever reason, Home Office and to me and yet decision. Now, after na omaye decisions. Now, namsuma omaye say because of the deadline date apahon, which is 1st of July 2021. Now apahon tino. Enya dia ombetimi a granted visas no ama yabusuafo no abeka yensa. I think say ya bohu de ro bebre e de akira manfo say since ye ne omo editing time so etwe ho diarrhea ma omo ankasa ehun say no the omo ye no enye papa no omo ye nsachaye ewo omo nhihye ni mu ama sabre no ye nyina enim say extended family members are omo ye omo applications before the deadline date no Home Office ayen nhihye say obema omo nyina de friend no EUSS family permit na omo de abeka adofo no nsa enti ye koso abon de ro say uyo obi a wo sa situation ni mu a this is nhihye Home Office de ato ho say mo nyina no obema mo permit no na mo de aba UK. The only other thing I think say akoye bibia ye koye nimu no ebetimi akam up say ubedu ha wi a applying for residence card for 5 years there. Yenim say online applications no ayen hihye na esesenka by July no obia etimi yen application. Eno no pa ho a se wo ye application na wa nye no sa time na June deadline na esese wo kire reason ti a wa nye yenim se sa online platform application no makes only provisions for omo ye direct family members enti akoye se gap kakra bi asaba beda eho. Home Office aware say this is the gap because you raise sa issue no with them. Omunye insitebia to date. However, we are hoping say because omo sa concession we abano. Na you raise sa concern we so e de akere omo no. Ombe ye nhihye animanimu ya na omo de aye nsachaye wo sa ade no ho. Sebe ya extended family members na omo ba no. Se omo bedu ha umbetimi enya akwanya no ma ye o application e wo krom ha. Bear in mind say ye issue omo visa no say omo famra umbedu ho a omo 3 months say ombe ye application na ya ma omo residence card e wa ha. Enti ya ntwene tenten na emom de ye kan say monye aware say ya allow appeal we appeal as an extended family member na ya allow appeal Home Office betumi asend o email na o de o passport na ko back na ya issue o visa no e de amount mososo a na ya grant mo na omo kan say muntumi mfa ntu kwan because of the deadline date no munyina no sisia no Home Office ajatum say mo betumi e de aba. The only problem ebe wo ho no e ye de maka ne sisia say mo bedu ha online no ye nye provision as yet for more extended family members. But going forward, no, we're believing, sir, Home Office for a gap na no. They will pluck it up, say ebema kwayama more ban mubedua motimia more applications no. Manya.
Yo, La Patrick Abadas with the watch it because I na very concerned say more data friends na the application atumu da man fa my ente more de my after the date na mo say there bit more allow ye nti na ye hu kakra yo for the clarification na ni ncheche mu a wo de ama ye ma ya sum adwen kakra La Patrick yene na ma na ye tete ne say ubeko na wakoye o BRP ana biometric card no na womo mbia ya ma indefinite enso card no na ye de limited date bi aboso ebi wo ho na ye de 2 years ebi wo ha 3 years ebi wo 4 years even some of the status ne cry ye de bubo passport mo no why you see amount indefinite and now be a permanent residence see ya change about USSC settled status and so near the date ahye ho na se me free in this country I na me we no mo ma me status na mo di date mbia na 4 years na expire 3 years na expire la Patrick enti we na ye ato ya adwendwen bebre se na ade mu ukoya ebi wo ho aye tue sika wo hu ade no ebi you pay enti se me tia preko penso na ye de ama me afebo mo mfa ama me afebo enso na etwa so sen na ye de date fianga date bi ye de ahyehyehye so excuse my words kitikiti bi na ye de ahye so na afe no obehu a enche bi afe so enchereba kakra obehu a 1 year 2 years they say corona kra ba 19 and then ye aka just ugbo we ni bia ye 22 na che say yes no etru mika enti no embi so ana o sika na ahobo nkodu ho na ye pese ye hu adenti na ya na home office kra omo ye saade no afenso no o cheche mu am na o de akeka ka ho de enti de na ebetumi aye ba ne say wo we no card na expire na unim kwan a obefa because ukoya ye je wo ho ne o menyina document bebre ansa na ayama lawyer Patrick ene de ne nantiri mu na ye hu kwan a o say ye fa so a ye be ye adenti na saade no o de expiring date eto so mpacho wadaroma
yo manye right I think say question will be say a legitimate question na said ye o kan no na enka expectation is especially omo nyamiaye omo dom na ya grant omo indefinite leave to remain and as a settled status e wo krom ha no na the expectation is nka o card ne beba no na ya ma leave a say o ha for 10 years normally omo ye ne sa because inim say nipa o hwe etoda utimi sesa kakra bi o ho na wafu abodwo se bi o ho na wakote wanim waye bibi nti u features bi betimi asesa but at least say ma 10 years there e bedu ho no na osa akoye fofra bibi asesa bia no ye betimi ehu so that's fine and no in itself no enyi the fact say o indefinite no emfree ho na emom no just for that duration say be ya e bedu ho no na insachere ye be ya ba obetimi ameki home office aware wo sa insachere no and as a one kasa no features bi asesa and also no would come to bear it's not sanity but say etiefo de omani be kan kaya mo a munya indefinite going back to 2020 ade ba nyina no obia onya indefinite bia no say o hwe wo card no so a from the valid date no we say expiry date na e wo card no so no ya tro so 31st of December 2024 it is an ya tro card no so instance nke bia ye be extend na ko 10 years no ye de na kwa akoshe 2024 December the 31st almost so a omo application especially EU4 ne omo family members na omo application na ya grant omo limited leave to remain no we say EU4 no family members no say grant o leave na normally no for 5 years into 5 years no we say ya tro was so say ebewu ebia 2025 and also 2030 to cover the 5-year duration period no nemom se mo behwe a mo soso mo behwe a mbo se since 1st of January no obia ye issue limited leave to remain card amawa wo duration no say ye 5 years no o ma cut it short enti now valid period no expiry period no about ye 31st of December 2024 now the question are ye bisane say edienti and a home office for eye the omuyi because nanka expectation is say amount 5 years there say a reflective or card no so now so to me say 5 years residence card and answer limited leave to remain and also say 10 years settled status and answer indefinite leave to remain now say me can indefinite leave to remain in this context now encapsulate a year or more apply under the immigration rules, you know, any omo apply under the EU settlement scheme appendix EU no ka omo nyina ka ho because obi a yama indefinite leave to remain under the immigration rules no sa card no would say o card no be expire by the 31st of December 2024 nti yen hye no so nye EU for and also say omo make applications under the UK domestic law no nkwa ho asem na ye ka nti we efa mo nyina mo ho nti yes question no edie nti na home office yes now this is what ILPA immigration for ekubatan a eboye nyina ye ho ban this is what they've said ntia omunya free home office now home office actually mu say EU for nhihye edito ho say na omo pese card biometric card UK immigration ye issue no say what certain next generation encryption no ye offer information data obi hu insem anase ne features ne bibia e fa no hu bia no na wama wahye mu kena security wise wama emu aye den sebe ya obi entumi embonra sa ade enimu en contemper with it and I say onko wia o sa data no intina esese home office for tumi enya bibia e meet sa standard no but then na ye ni sa ade no ye card na ye issue no nyina no na eni sa features na EU for pese ye wo no intina akob ye bibia ede how kakraba bear in mind so say after 9/11 2001 no ena EU for nyina call benkrum say say issue passport e de ama EU nationals see no say ye no biometric ye de biometric e shem say be ye be capture nipa no features any ne data ne bibia on sa biometric no so say be ya obi entumi nwuremu enkofa na mpo se obi kofa now or go through the various EU borders now ye betumi enhu nipa kra oye nti EU for years nhihye no since 9/11 no buy no ema amama ni nyina agitum say yes say ye follow sa way no ti obehwe a omukuta EU passport no bebre na no chip ehim e capture biometric data or fingerprints weni any sa ni mani nyina capture ni nyina wo sa ade no so ntina the next generation encryption biometric card na EU for ayen hye say ye hwehwe no na UK for na sabi yenyandu ho ntina akoba se munyandu ho de a ene na esese ye limited duration of the card no period na ye de ma no esese ye limit no up to such time until such time ye betimi ayen hye na ye biometric cards no ebenya sa next generation encryption features no ntina sa na identity nti home office eyen hye ehya se ye issue cards ebe limiting to date na ya asset no but bear in mind say mo bekaya back in your friend is saying 2020 last year no so no mo follow ye bebre no ye be bo hu dawro se na UK home office eyen hye it was at the advanced stage say going forward no ye biometric cards any residence cards na ade ni nyina no omo pese omo withdraw from the system na ye digitize no se be ya ni nyina be wo on a system okoso a ubetimi access na ye nkuta card ne bi so ebedu baby no EU for ebeyi sa restriction no edi free ho so okay restriction na ye de aba se esese munya biometric cards encrypted to next generation standard no fine ye free ho enti no yesusu ye sha se ye issue card no na nka especially omo 10 years indefinite leave to remain no ye de ama omo na omo ye nkwala say o indefinite anke be ma up to 5 years for the time being nti na UK for ayesa nhihye no e de ato But like I say, no, say oko back say me kan no. Not already no UK. Ya ye nhihye a ye pese ye de ye niema ni nyina kogu eye system so ye no digitize. Sebe ya obia betimi access from there. Na ye yi card, biometric card na nkasa physical card no every system no mo. It is sanity there na ya advance up to that stage in there. Na SSA still na no ye keep up to ye nhihye na wo ho no na cards na ye issue no ye limit no to 2024 no sebe ya ebedu sa time na bibia to year na yetimi move on from biometric card regime na ye woman no. It's fine, that's what we're doing. And until now, unya wo card na instead say ya maun indefinite leave to remain. Na nka o expect say 10 years ansa na expire ama watimi aye foforo no. Still now no card no nyina no expire 31st of December 2024. Now the initial idea is senka o card no ba be wu a home office ebe ma card no for free in charge o. Nanka e de atoa so akopem se o 10-year period no ebe expire na say o 5 years period no ebe expire. However, this idea no seems that it's been ditched at the moment because ye pese ye tokoso na nhihye na ya say ye de ye cards no features nyina beko ye online no ye betimi follow through with that process. Now, what is happening? They say uyo obi a wo sa situation ni mu a enye ade a esese oma wakometu. The reason being said the card na ye de ama no just a physical card a allow ma nka utimi ye eniema bi. Nti for instance, o kopa adwuma ukoye adwuma ra say menhu biometric card mintimi mfa wadwuma even though obetimi access or records online it's na akoye twuma mentwe ukọ high dan edan ra say de na kire say o asesena wo kroma nti na wakotwe o card ukọ bank akobi account bank manager say menhu card intimi ensi supi say uyo obi a wo asesena wo kroma nti na eho akohia say ubenya bibia ebedi saa adanse no nti they issue you the cards no to help you to do that. But and say usro wo ho because leave na ye de ama no say ye ma leave na normally no what home office does in say obetro letter e de aka ho e de achero the duration of your leave no jemfa say amount limited leave to remain and as a pre-settled status sa home office decision letter no any status letter now unya through your email no will tell you how long will stay no it's valid until. Sa so na unya indefinite leave to remain I think say senior yakano watin ne ho no sa na ete indefinite leave to remain. What it means is say wasitena ewo kroma no restriction bia eni ho nti no ubetimi aye bibia ubetimi akwa ba tukwan aye ne ese oye bia uni restriction bia card no keke no doesn't mean anything. Nti uwo sa concern na you can access one kasa u data online. Betimi akọ online. Na wakọ access u data na wahu say card na ye de ama no even though it expires on 31st December 2024 no wasetena na nkasa ewo krom ha no the duration of it no online no ubehu say e different. Say indefinite ye de ama wa say o call online na o check here ubehu say e wo ho say amount indefinite u stay no restriction bia ni ho. Say a limited leave and ye dia mawa more 5 years no na make kan wansem 2.5 years for no de mo de no de sebe ye bu no kakrakra into no enka eno no ho but more yamamo limited leave to remain and as a pre-settled status 5 years no mo susu mo ko online ube hu say o status no any duration nyina no is captured there more 2.5 years no so yes so upese o hwe o status na eno susu betimi akọ online na wakọ akọ check ni nyina e wo honom. Now into going forward no what is the future of yen biometric card no edie nkra na eba besi Monhya ne nso de eba be sini say come December 2024 no Home Office in nhyehyɛ ne say ɛsɛ obia owo biometric card bia no ye be migrate you onto the digitized system no say be ya information nyinaa will be captured and then be put in one place okwa obetimi access obia opese ofa adwuma mu ana se opese o check wo status bia no nipa no betimi online na wakwa check so we go through airport ne sanema all of that will be there on the system ubo odia yenimnia odie ukuta o letter ukuta o biometric card new bb ni nyina is captured what system so sebeya ukoduwa untimi enya sembia. So this is what is going to happen in the future, especially from 31st December 2024 no your biometric cards ni nyina no ye be migrate omo nyina na ye physical cards no nyina out of the system manye.
Okay, until Patrick, I know no obi be say good news, but however good news it is, no. Say ebanisana, is it you as the nipano who also yes application say me we na expire no mate say mu beye bibia digital ntino me application na momfa me bibia nto so ana say date na ya set na majority dey nyina expire the same date no Home Office na beye ni automatic to say like automatic update binti wo hwa before the end of your date no na ya send before for na say ya ma notification na say ya ma wa swat says see ano with details nyina is on digital ana mpacho.
Right, very good question manye, but yes sana nhyehyɛ no ebekɔ akɔ enye ade a esese wo ankasa na obetro Home Office aba mo nkaye se o card na expire. Bear in mind say Home Office for na issue o stay no na omosan issue card no ma. So omo wo sa data no e wo ho dada. So what they are doing is say time no beso ama o card na expire. By the time ye be yes implementation no omo be migrate sa nkofo no nyina onto the digitized system no se be ya o information ni nyina no e be kosa platform no so then from sa period no se o hwehwe se ubehu die nti a uti kroma ne wasetena o krom ha na chese se okọ online na okọhwe wo ho se obi pese ofa wadwuma mu a ono soso no ese se o check sa de no e wo online bear in mind say already no adwumayefo a omo fa ye nyina adwuma mu no asodie da omo so se opese ohu u status na o kire se ampa se o krom ha with leave obetimi aye adwuma Home Office omo nko online omo nko check nti no betimi aye employers checking service wo online na wa hwe se wo ankasa o krom ha wo asetena obetimi aye adwuma na so okona okocheck na obetimi aye adwuma then omu emre bia so se obefa wadwuma because saa de no e wo Home Office for system so a rigorous check even though our steps no are fairly straightforward and easy no but enye ade a obi keke ebetimi atena ne fie na waye nhyehyɛ de saa information no akwa gu ho nti Home Office for platform so e na wokɔ na wakoye saa search no so obi epeso odedan han wa saa nipa kro no so betimi aye the same check the fear yehu ewo omo fa ye adwuma mu no ne se omo mpese ombeye bibia ebebu Home Office emra so because bear in mind say ufa obi adwuma mu na nipa kro no eni asetena ewo krom ha ubetimi etua penalty of about £20,000 nti saa fear no wo ho nti obefa wadwuma mu a ase chenchina ache no esese ukofa o biometric card edebre no na ohun se ukuta bi ansa na wafo adwuma but that is not right because eno no kreti frustration edema ye nuanom ne ye clients no keke because ade ni nyina wo online wo yes a checking service na ebeyi ni nyina de amount na wahu se nipai o wasetena wo krom ha obetimi aye adwuma obetimi ahan dan obetimi abie bank obetimi age license to drive and all of those things na to your benefits as nkofo a ye wo krom ha with the necessary legal rights no nti no sana nhyehyɛ ne tie but idea Home Office would take the steps to migrate ye nyinaa onto sa forthcoming digitized system na ehun ko hia say ye ne betro wo mansa because already no more data no manye.
Okay, and yes, you na ye hu nti sesia no senior wa church mo no na kire say menti ase no or you say a mouth something like reference would be ma baby a wobekọ bia you just give them that reference number na say bibi ananse ababa so say share code no enye similar thing enti say wo edwuma now the ma omo then they have to go and find out whether ehun hias wo do passport no ID no status bibia abekọ edwuma mu say no krese mo asetna but they have to go and then do that research online because bibia online but enye sa ntiase no.
Well, absolutely. Already no manye sa atiefo ebe hye no nso a mo applications under the appendix EU no mo status letter ne beba no and also impo ansa na beba no say application a generative reference number be a 16 a generative sa reference number no. Sa reference number no any di adanse say number 1 why your application at their Home Office. Into say wadwuma mu 4% mo check say or application pending with the Home Office ombetimi use sa number no at their check. Especially more leave that na more renew no. Say what renew no on time na unye later or leave no becomes a stunt. What it means is say under section 3C no o leave no etwa so te se ne enwu ye nti eniema na o leave no ama o tumi se obetimi dia aye no saa tumi no eda so toa so kopem se Home Office ebe make a decision and this includes more applications for fee waiver as well. So we have fee waiver na it is why your application na until such time you be a decision on your fee waiver no o leave no etwa so. See a decision now, whether negative or positive, no, or 10 working days from the date of that decision no, to make your application. So when your application in there, not just say or leave no abay expire. Internet so making sure say your mouse are 10 working days now. Within that period, no, obey your application no, at your Home Office. Whether say would piaka announce say Home Office a grant or fee waiver no, until your mouth code or your application now. Obey insert sa code no online na etimi ama watu aso. Then after that no the decision process no say okobo nsa no na process no a start. Whilst you are waiting to receive your decision from the Home Office no o leave no enwuye o card no expire but o leave no carries on until such time Home Office for ebe ye decision na oma browse decision no o leave ni beto so impose we appeal against our decision no krana then you, because you have an appeal pending into no still now no as I say eto so na ekoso kopem time bibia betwa you be hu say bia why exhaust all of the rights now owo no ansana bibi etimiensi until such time no there omo forward adwuma no betimi use sa reference no EU4 there no started with 3434 more applications under your friends saying your domestic immigration rules no started with 1212. So mobile channel so more on limited leave to remain and answer pre-settled status under appendix EU no na more sa niema ni nyina no and answer okoje replacement card no ohia more applications now it starts with 1212 because of say ye nyina ye nim say ye free EU no na sabre no ya nhyehyɛ na EU mra na nanka boy ho bra no nyina no ye de abɛhyɛ domestic law no mu na ya bɔ ne ho kakra e de ato nkyɛn ma ye de ɛyɛ adwuma. So this is how it's going to play. You will reference numbers no wo dada ubehia no ubehia document ID na odi year application no you would need that as well. E be generate the manyekan no share code no e de amount. You can share that with obia opese oniudi nkitahu bia na wakola akocheke na chese hu se bibia wo system so a ema wo ho kwan ma otimi ye ne sese wo ye bia manye
Oh, then yeah, that's good. Until when na yen him just 2024 to 2025, you know. And as even though me who say system no companies need be asked that share code ne the omo bisa pa oh yeah application now see for share code ne share ho. Internet for na ahwefo amhwe maybe telephone lines me who say microphobia fresa but na education ne course no ntima mfa sisi ade betumi be telephone lines nti wo question be person obisa it could be say na ka ho asem no na obebisa yes but enye no nso ho na person obisa kwan da ho question be a person obisa efa immigration ho efa litigation ho efa family law ho efa ne nyina ho no kwan da ho say obetumi ebisa yem papa lawyer Patrick in fact wa bin yi ankasa obecheche mu ama wa eto asom kra na wo bedwiriw enti mebie menhwɛ dodo na omo abaso na omo ahye nyame nhira mo obi biara wa share program yi nyame enhira wa no pay me to nhira de ma because wonye selfish adesua bi say no wenya ne free no or say wo so wo de ma free sa yesi enya ne kwa enti emfa kwa enti nyame nhira mo yenua be ma say k or see guys ye chechia o guys share or see share na chese onu wenya adepa bi efiri mu nto bomudero se mo nhye afenso no yenya Kwame Atadima ofa no o say I'm watching you from Icebury Kwame ye chiawo Kenneth Kofi Oforiboatin also sa o say good morning Kofi Anto bam on board o dia wan background kan nso beto enti ye da se na me hwe hanso a sister Dorcas Adom Yamenka ho Nana Jima or say mun share covenant grace. I mean all the crew, all the classmates. Nyame enka mo yedamase. Mun share na ade aye chiri. Ehun hia. Ye nua battle duma or say Nana Jima senior minister bra. Or say share order say. Enti ebeko so Foster Fox and so Ezekiel Johnson yeah or say the best immigration legal advice show running keep up the good work team. Ezekiel nyuma job Mabna agreeing so say even those with limited leave remain its 31st. Patrol say even those with limited leave to remain its 31st of 12 of 2024. Na just say Osisupi say sa na tie. Doctor say chia good morning Manyeti good morning. Adom. Enti no lawyer ma yen bebre ma keep obi on hold. Mpacho keke why your first collab. Ye mayente wonka.
Oh, hello. Good morning, Maneti. Micha Uniloya, KK. You're right.
Yeah, KK Pacho, sorry.
Yeah, Micha Munina Uniloya.
Yeah,
right. My question, Bisa, in relation.
KK Pacho raise your voice, Kakrama me why? Sound me very low.
Okay. Better.
Yeah, it's better now.
It's better now. Right. Okay. My question about Bisane in relation to Zambrano carers. I'm sorry, Zambrano carers in respect to a ruling in VELAD EEA Regulation Interpretation Reg 165. Now Obi was seeking to interpret, say, or seeking to verify, say, if you are a Zambrano carer. Now, even though there is another parent, they should allow you to stay. However, it did not succeed. That is my understanding. So now, my question is, Oma apply that. Now, you have two parents, which they've already been granted the 5 years. When it gets to the period which they are going to renew or when they're going to apply for the settled status now, what is the impact in relation to one? So, for example, if you're about to apply earlier, now you're the manner. Now, about so if you delay a week or a month before no apply for the indefinite now, can it affect? Can there be a problem there? Thank you.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick, where you are on a cake. O question, dear, say, I sing, lawyer, so auntie, I may repeat it. I repeat it. What a case work. Lawyer Patrick, was so more, say, at the Mudia, Mr. Any demo, yeah, no, my one pouch.
Right, yo, Manya, may I say, and good morning, Uncle KK. Okay, so I picked up bits of the Obisa, but this is the answer, yeah, the Bema KK. Now, the Zambrano rules, very simple. Inti se wo krom ha na wo akwala oya akwala fall under sa rules na inti no akwala oye EU ni anasa oye British ni a owo krom ha. The idea is say ye kase sa akwala no free krom ha ebe for so say kase maame anasa papa na anasa the primary carer no anasa primary carers no note this in free krom ha ebe for so sa akwala na oye British citizen na oye EU ni no ama ono susu efri ha but ye nyina nim se akwala no ye EU ni anasa oye British citizen na oti krom ha na che so oti ni krom into our every right to live here. Now enjoy all of the facilities now other British citizens in Kuala Omuwo Krom ha enjoy no onu so tumi enjoy. Nti se wo ka se na wofo na omu na ehwe no wo mu free ha enkwa na hwan na e ba behwe akwala no ye de ne koma foster ana ye de no e koma obi na wa adopt no wa bra ono ne parents a wa wo no ewo ha ombetimi ahwe no nti na sa na tie dia ene na yenye nhihye na yemma ho kwan na omo ye the parents no and I said the parents na owo the oye primary carer no ontimi enya ho kwan na ontena ha emfa nhwe akwala no. So that's the position. So obeye sa application na the idea is se oye nipa baako na wo ya then nie oka wo ho no ebia na owo na setena dada unkwa na oye sole carer of this child into wo na wo hwe sa akwala no and then you are making sa application no under that rules no se nipa no wa setena wo krom ha the argument ne say so wa setena wo krom ha then see ye ka se wo na wo ni asetena no kwa it wouldn't affect the child because there's another parent wo krom ha or wa asetena wo krom ha ono so to e krom ha into ono so betimi ahwe akwala no so which means ye ka se kwa na ye nto emra bia into no in the case there's another person another parent ono wo krom ha or wa asetena ye nim se for instance or akwala no kra bra bom na obetimi ahwe akwala na then there will be difficulties for you to be able to satisfy the requirements no ma ya mouse are leap no se mu ye mienu na mu nyina mu ni asetena na mu ye the primary carers of sa akwala na oye application na they grant it for both of you because mu nyina na mo hwe sa akwala no you need to meet the requirements e kire se ampasa mu na mo hwe akwala no. Bear in mind akwala ono tedie una wo to aduane ni school uniform ni school didie de beka ho light any natari shem ni sa niema ni nyina eye wo na wo ye but you need to evidence that so you don't just tell the home office me na me yes sa niema we and then they accept that. Unfortunately it doesn't happen because home office nim say they are no aka bibi so okay you have to evidence it into right. O Tesco shopping awakoye o Asda shopping awakoye o Lidl shopping awakoye school uniform awato. I know that it's very difficult. Say you keep put our receipts when you know, but unfortunately, that is what is expected of you. Say ubenya bibia ubetimi di a demonstrate say ampase we a primary carer and I say we a primary carers of this Zambrano child. So sanity there, then they will grant you. Now, ya granting what you know, Semitikeke asia. The question is there. Ya granting what you know. Now, say, oh, kwakoye or settled status. Now, then what happens? Say, ya granting now you who say, ampase uye primary carer ana muye primary carers of ubia or yes Zambrano child, then there's absolutely nothing wrong stopping the Home Office to grant you your settled status. No? Because we've done it for so many of our clients. Omunina Esha first, no, yeah applications at the moment, because when it started, no, now they were not captured in there. But then going forward, no, yeah applications amankofwa omunina no paper application ya maomo sa asetina no. So they've got it. Into I don't think it would be a problem when ubia ya granting the first 5 years under the Zambrano rules, say obekwa akoji the indefinite leave to remain, as I say, we demonstrate, as I say, we try, because and you say amount 5 years in you are said now akotiada. As I say, we try say still no meet requirements, no. The say oyema akwala no bia no ugusu a oye. So one try now the application no kwa. Unfortunately, the Home Office can refuse you because you have to be able to demonstrate that you still meet the requirement. Manya.
Yeah, KK, I think yes.
Yes, not me.
KK,
yes.
One question, Aji. Ntinipa 3 ejina line so. Miss Ro.
Person maybe say, as maybe or yes, which is really not well explained. But then person maybe say, just in case ebia obakun edikan yama munya 5 years no bakun edikan apply for settle no before papa no anama menunya kwan, which is the second person no to also apply for settle for bibi near a beha drink said if your mama bakuno do your mamutu now. However, Bakwedi can apply for settle no that. And then based on the ruling in that village way, no, will it also or maybe
Nancy ebetimi aba ne say sika semana keke mbia na omumie no nyina omo hu so sika no nti ba ko bedi kan na ba ko ato aso ana
a hona person who said that or a hona person who said ha say oba ko di kan pay money indefinite no now they can say actually oba ko ha indefinite and they will use that rule to refuse you. And the person who said can that happen and
Okay, so I don't think it should be a problem. For a starters, no, let's clarify this. Sa Zambrano application, yanjiska, if anything at all, legal fees and a wutia. So yes, our application now. To start with, no, you would have qualified for the 5 years. No answer. As obia, moye joint carers of Zambrano child. Na your mom of 5 years no. When it comes to say or indefinite leave to remain now, then what will stop you from making such application? Because bear in mind, you would be applying because say 5 years no is expired. So why apply now 5 years no which means you are an overstayer. Until you would have to explain why apply that time now card no way. And that is the position. Into no so we overstay and now your application. You as I what said the entire want to me your application any. But in any case, no, say one year na nipa ba kono aye ne dia now okoya, would you be able to still demonstrate say still no we are joint carers of Zambrano child no? Because you need to meet the requirements. Your amount 5 years ni we are in we into your amount 5 years no now easy to do the things now now ejina so ma ye the first 5 years in the amount you have to carry on doing those things no na ye hwe e de indefinite leave to remain no at the amount into yes one part of the carers no akwa in there for whatever reason you are not telling us, and I suppose we don't need to know that. But the position is, so we are joint carers now we are joint carers of a Zambrano child na mo koye mo application na ideally no se mo nyina mo yebo mo a eboa se mo anyam bomu for whatever reason I won't country any there now koye then you have to show indeed still now you meet the requirements no we are joint carers of Zambrano child no and also say EU citizen. No.
Okay, lawyer, you see. Keke na de mejusi kapa, honestly.
And then lawyer actually clear, papa.
Exams now de kwa kwotro no, but modia betua yenka. Why? Yo, lawyer Patrick, we there. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Sunday dinner so intinama. Pacho wa nama end 7727 no when I do so kafra why na na nsem ni bi wo why hia nchechimu. Can you ask your question please?
Yo, manya yemo yeda mwase. Ya Patrick, ya minshira. Me patch. Ya mani ya baby. Na owo family root for 10 years. Na the first renewal of paper no or requested or apply still week by the man into the code niche your application and can say upload the document. Now because we check picture now on Sunday Ember. Now young Casso components and because no say it's an upon system the upload na the document now on check picture come now or you na on the 14th of July. Now we say I successful. We mail almost but since then almost 4 months until almost can be it's not to say good lawyer. Actually, still in process and nothing we do one.
Right, yo, Penny Edasi Bebre. Now, say. I've followed through the process now, Home Office force on you now, then that's absolutely fine. The reason why I say uncha photo no, when you know Bekaya, and chair and a Home Office for COVID by she say going forward no, so you'll be a wire application pain. Now within 5 years, and our years our application, not your capture or biometrics pain. Then to make sure say COVID no any the abrɛ no nsi ho kwan say ye be the sese ye no omo be reuse sa biometrics na wo ho no. So they started doing that. Emma omo introduce app bi a say wo ye application na wan kasa obeye facial recognition ubetwa na wa upload documents ni na na ekɔ. Now esese na nka Home Office ankasa accelerator nti wo ye application na di 1 or 2 days bia obo say no o ma send email say ya select say biometrics e wo hodada nti no unhia say obekọ akoye appointment akọ center akoye biometrics. Now discretional because they made it open say ubetimi aye no anaso say o pese still ano ukoye biometrics na dia then say o book appointment na ukọ. Nti that was there and then they started doing that. Unfortunately, no app na nkasa no ebi o ha documents a de be count no na ade a eso nti wo be upload awie na chese wan hwe ya na aye nsem bebre bi also na upload no kra no na aye problem ntimi capture eniema eyi nti bebre na with frustration no e decided say omonye saa bi and then they came up with the idea say so biometrics ko ho a na wo ya application na wo betimi atwa wo photo keke to say a passport photo selfie ana obi atwa now what they are sending omu sa details no e de compare omu data no omu say what they are then that's fine o process no is finished now fe atoso ombe make a decision na no na problem kakra wo ho the problem e wo ho no say I think say ye nyina ye nim say COVID e baaye COVID enkoye COVID baaye sisi we went into restrictions ma bebre na na say omo tena fia na say omo ye adwuma from fie. Home Office, omunye exception. However, your applications na your day kono. COVID and stop you from making them. We were still working. We were still submitting the applications and they were going to the Home Office. You know, they've been inundated with applications. It's a serious backlog. Home Office. I am not holding brief for them, but from your experience, this is what we know is happening. Unfortunately, they are overwhelmed. Ama omajuma no aye slow kakra. Nti obi o na ne de kra, e di more than 6 months, e di more than 1 year. Utro ma. Unfortunately, the unya no bibia metimi interpreting say apology from the Home Office to say unfortunately this is what you go through because of COVID inti ye besere mo say monka nche mo client no yagitum say ade na che na emom no enye yen fomso say ebeba no sa COVID na ama na basa nti wo munya rehyiemu say yeguso ye ho adwuma che na beche na emom enka ho nti ni kakra meka kire ye nua ni say yes sa che kakra it's okay ebeba na because of Home Office applications are ebu omo so ne de omo ye nti no ama eniema aka akire kakra but omo si yenya abotre ema omo na omo fa nhihye enwu akwan so ema ye 4 months yes ache but omo standard period omo de ye decision no kra no because of COVID any de dia brain nti no omo say now no so we application now it has your friends under the family life and the private life route now a element of human rights now no they are not going by their standard time no you need standard time or unless why your priority service application so yes there's nothing like standard time at the moment they say they are taking their time to look into sa application and sana or make a decision so unfortunately when we are there, you know, ye be huno brano, but they are working. Meaning client be an application, yes, switching within less than 3 weeks now when you decision. So and ye nina netisa, a bit intisa. Until going forward, no, you hope sir niema betu to ye na ometimia yen in temamaye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick Edasi, Papa. Say lawyer why?
Yes,
Nyamisha, Papa. So I said, yeah. Hey, we are sure, dear. Okay, Pacho Bijna Humanis, Nipa Mianudina Humanis, so Pacho, Otemen can well, line is so your frozen now, Casa friend. Hello. Mpacha yewa.
Hello.
Hello, mpacha yewa. Se utie wo we ni mo radio ni mo na TV ni mo na gadget na utie program na. There is a delay nti hu say wo na me no kasa. Nti wo na me no kasa why?
Oh. Hello.
Yeah, mpacha kasa.
Yo, me pacho. Unfortunately, I. Okay.
Oh dear. Hello. See, I'll pick another call. Koso.
Me patrol ma say me wo me pese me call Ghana na me ho ba no and share dan enya be se 1 year na me manya information bi say aje wo no ba no at my best 2 years and son of me at the Nabana, made a semi the crew. First one, no, and our second one also, me or bar when ya 9 years, Yamibo next year, no, Benya 10 years, and I'm present at the age of 11, no, me then a bar now start year 7 school, or Croimo. Now, also no, one ne ma minute na a prime ben the first one a very successful application or very successful mammy and the third one also here me rented dine me chia 3-bedroom with living room me chia me found 1,000 a month na me the barco ama yeni ambako no so or contribute to kakra. Me wages so between 1,900 to 2,100. Into no the me person me want to say a bit me affected for share a dino that the price next year now a bit me affected my salary no bit me affected applications now and I know the it has nothing to do with it.
Okay. Yo, la Patrick, you be man the question me and so they be to get in patcha oti ni na we amame.
Right, yo manye. So first question and it says what when yan in say when ya ho kani opeso worry na say more the 2 years ansana obetimi aye na waya application amano. In fact ne kasa mu no o say washia ne ho kani ni dada ono ne te say omo edi kasubomu ahwibomu a 1 year kra aba betwam nti minim baby a unya sa 2 years no edi free but I will explain that in unknown instant case no they all come with the 2 years no and apply enye sa nete enye no correct nti no then she share say wahu kani na opese ode ne ba brochi a na she share say esese wahu no animu enye say multi telephone so enye WhatsApp ododie ni bi enye Zoom ododie ni bi yese wahun ana oni coach awusie ehun ne pen eno ena ye ka nti se ehun ne pen dia ti se ye nua be man asemi dia na che se ekwan da ho se obetimi aye nhihye na ye nua ba so abeka nsa especially December mu na ye koi awono mate se ebe kosoro kakra nti no de ehia ne se obetimi a kire se ampa wahun ye nua bai omo egusu edi nkomo omo gusu ye ne sese adofo ye nti omo ya adofo prekope enye 2 years na ye twen enye 3 years na ye twen wahia no 1 year no kra no wakobi nti no se nhihye ne so opese ode ne bade a ene nei kono nyina no obetimi ya application na ye nua na ba de sese otimi kire ne se number 1 oye adwuma oji 18,600 enye sika esese edan account mu da bi enye saa na ye ka eye bibia odibedi adanse tie nua be me ye adwuma owo pay slips owo bank statements obenya adwuma letter edi adanse se ye nua Steven Amoa oye adwuma ewo AMA company mu oye adwuma ya free 2001 abepem samre na ketua afini nyina no onya 26,500 sa ena yitua no ye no kakrakra de ma no bosumi bia but 26,000 ena ye ne salary se ye fa ye nua Steven pay slips a ye behu se ampa se onya 26,000 ti se uka 6 months e di boma na threshold na ye 18,600 no ye expect se ye totten apa ye benya at least 9,300 nti se ne ye nua ye ken se omiti sa requirement na obetimi de ye nua na ba owo 3 bedrooms property any a living room oni nipa ba ko na ehye ne yire ba na obeka no ho a obenya enough space a onkobu eye yen housing act no so kra sa so na so de ne ba no kra ebeka ho a ono so obetimi de na ba still na no wo accommodation na omo wo no ebeye enough a enkobu emra bia so enti enye rent na otua no na yede ehwe na emom ye hwe se owo adequate enough accommodation a se ye nua ba no ba obenya ba bia tena na onkoye sebe adeswa emmeda eye UK aban so se oba ye nua ba man ewo sika enough a obetimi di ahwe na again oma meye adeswa emmeda yenye so ema yensa mmehwe no nti eno ena yede ehwe enye sebe ne rent na otua no anaso se ye nua ba na onhu no for 2 years no enye no ho asem ena ye ka ne ba no susu na opese ode ne ba no yes obetimi de na ba na mom with regards to ono ne be ya one obi fufuro ena wo ye no se opese ode ne ba ɛsɛ or ɔkyerɛ or was sole responsibility for saa akwalaa yi waka biribi a from baby a mete no ɛma mihu sɛ oni sole responsibility menkyerɛkyerɛ mu wɔ ha ɔmpinkyɛn a lawyer for na ɛno no yɛne ne ni hu nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ backdoor na nneɛma a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na ɔde kyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ sole responsibilities for saa akwalaa no yɛne ne go through na so ɔnhyɛ aseɛ nyɛɛ a ɔnhyɛ aseɛ nyɛ saa adeɛ no ɛnɛ ne ɔkyerɛ ya ansa na obetumi akyerɛ sɛ obetumi de akwalaa na ba on that basis no nti ɛno ne adeɛ a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔhyɛ no nso I think say the other one with 2 years now or boss so no dear say uwo krom ha na uni obi nete na opese oye application the definition of partner no it captures omo unmarried partners omo cohabit na no to be able to meet that definition no the requirement ne say esese only nipa no atena abom for 2 years to meet sa definition no ema watimi aka say ampasa oye partner unless say ebia mo ware intino mo wo adansidie krata marriage certificate edi adanse se mo ware say no de ene kura na muhu ena odono shase ena wo so pese mo ware ena makwa ware then absolutely fine but apart from that no say nipa no free amano ne na eba yimbisa o se kotre se wahunu for 2 years only not for 2 years and I said bibisa sabi omo ha omo ya application manye
Patrick yedasia na nsem say de na atiti ne be confusing nanso eno ante na ye wo lawyer sakintin kan lawyer papa ye wo ha na ekire wa adwen na wa ba bebisa odofo be gina homa no na mesra o ma mesima ba ko pe na menkinkan me nua be message ye ode aba no me kan wie ya na lawyer yi ma no pe na mama wa kasa wa wo na ma end with 1253 ba ma mesima me ba okay yenua ba ya na yenua be mo si na ose ade ye berema yenua be ma o say good morning. I have my 5 years leave to remain under the EU family member and my residence card expired 30th of June 2021. I applied for a replacement online through Soprasteria UK VCA AS on 21st of June 2021, and I booked the appointment on 15th of July 2021, and everything was submitted in front of me. First week in September 2021, the Home Office emailed me and said my replacement card will be delivered to my house address in 10 working days. Up till now, I have not received it. Please, what should I do? Or should I call the Home Office? And what is their direct contact number? Oh, many are be I don't know. I posted about 10 working days. Now, Crophobia, someone Lawyer Patrick, such a situation. I'm saying.
Right. So, a problem I also now. Also again because of COVID any niema ede abrayin enu ntina saa niema no nyina ekoso nti no TNT for no omo call address normally no you send o biometric card na o require say obe wo na wa sign the direction and say so omo corner so obi ani ho a ese say omo de card no echo back to TNT office. So could the TNT office 30 days, they will return the card back to a Home Office. The co-home officer, because of COVID, Home Office, touch it, destroys our card. So card no echo ufi na ya ankotoa likelihood ni say the call back to TNT. Say indeed more than 30 days, ubetimi afre TNT for now I check it with them. Say omo ho a ubetimi arrange a suitable delivery date na omo de abrel. Say yes also there na ebia omo de akoma Home Officer ubetimi aye a report online say o card no onsankan say o report online na akoba say omo buy na omo nsan count nti na akwa home office for ama oma destroy na home office for will reissue your card no na omo de ama TNT na omo ba be deliver nti yenua 10 days na apa ho until omo nka so ohwe na decision letter no so a na oko online na obet to me Google my BRP card has not arrived into Google no a obe reporto say the card no my bisa no data the decision no ebaye say you more than 10 days no say the omaka na then yes or submit your application in the car they will look into it say woman metu no ofie and I say you are returning it back to the home office no either way no one be reissue a card na nsa akana de nti money insuro kra manye
yo asemo pacho na ma ye 1253 kafra pacho o kasa free na ifra o se isra o kasa nso abomode na kasa o telephone mu ma me why na entie wo ho wo gadget ni mo all right pacho na ma ende 1253 we na edoso hello 4008 Mpacho when I do so 4008
me chairman is my family.
Joe papa
Well, yeah, well, quick question. I'm a bit paranoid. Every time I make naturalization, but me who's the speeding ticket? And I'm bring me letter be to my family. Me driver's license number. In this case, I'm saying in airport, we don't have to choose between 3 points. Any other. If you choose 3 points, you know, I'm here course. You know. Now, besides naturalization, and we're affecting me, Anna.
Manye, Pacho, bet me repeat kakra mami, because I think that some of the portions were man.
Page your voice, yeah.
Let me just say, driving speeding tickets na minya no. Could be £100 na me course no. Say me here offense naturalization.
Hold on. La Pacho tenenga.
And you know, on starting from what is happening na Pacho, yeah.
Okay. Pacho, repeat your question. Why not page your voice kakra mami? Why?
You must say. Now me say minya speeding ticket and a friend is saying I may £200 and pay a course be. Now as you see I may have a naturalization and if you say me application I say me declare no ana and I say it makes me affect me ana say minya speeding ticket no.
Right, okay. Until so your naturalization or your application for any home office immigration application be a no. Ebe bisa say o offenses bia na normally no so offenses na there's the expectation say obe declare sa de no in your instant case o break road traffic act rules no bi o overspeed here and you hu and ya fine no nti fine o beyond there nti say o declare sa de no e de ma home office na omo hu but you know so onye obi a o persistent offender or fine keke no home office be use discretionary powers to make sure say omu a decided application. Yes, you're fine, you've paid it, you've declared say yes, you're now fine. I don't think that this would affect you. I've seen worst case. We've managed to put it through and then you know it's gone through all right. So I think say you'd be okay. What you need to do is say, oh your application now declare say indeed you know when you're fine for overspeeding. And then the Home Office will look into that, but I'm pretty sure you would go through with that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Odofo bi wa mane so mpacho be me last but one call. E fra o se na o kasa free. Wa wo landline so no. Hello. Pacho number 1253 mafa mente wonka 1253 o line so ba mente wonka o tie ne ho o radio ni mo ntie on te menka yo okay wa ahoma ne so pacho e fro say
it's at 8 again.
Hello, Mpacho, wa landline. So, your friend say now kasa friend.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sister. Yeah, Mpacho, wafre about GN radio, so, bisa lawyer sem OTO.
Okay, but specifically because the NHS charge refund, no. First one about, do you have to apply every 6 months and I say automatic say
So we are refund now. Same be we are nurse and now we are duma NHS. Now we are refund now. Obisa say ometia ni na prekope and I say and anya sana obisa question.
Ometia first one no say 2.5 no ometia ni kakra but person who after 6 months do so I was saying my application for finance like a automatic so omo abe who say be a 6 months they do also go next one.
Oh, okay. Yo, Lawyer Patrick, and so I don't think that there will be a different application. Lawyer Patrick, but what's in your car, no?
Yes, man, yeah. It's no. So we are refund request now. Senior Okayano, yes. Installment. Unfortunately, no one tuani in full and from mount. Into as I say, every 6 months biano. We sa application the request for refund, no. Because as I said, we jumam a letter, as I said, we pay slips.
You are still working with them.
Exactly. As I said, we pay slips. Any sanya money na edi emma womo upload edi say and pass only company juma. What I've seen is most of the companies no because home office aye nhihye dada no omu nyina was system no so. Nti ukona one M&A care agency in a year juma now say D&D pharmacy in a year juma. O click here, there will be a drop down of the various companies now. Omunyina ya shisha se ombetimi akahono. Omunyina also o click your company now you follow through the process, you upload or 6 months pay slips now odi akwa komamo and then they make the decision na the refund na bro. So far no I don't know how much the bro initially, but I'm hoping about something substantial at least it can carry you forward. But yes, as I said, every 6 months, you reapply. Yeah.
Hold on. Mr. Me away Pacha, hold on. Why? Yeah, where no air call off. Say air call off in the next 10 seconds. Radio no so air call because in 11 abo into a call for just switch to Facebook and YouTube for the next maybe 2 to 5 minutes now. Now radio needs to in the next 5, 4, 3 seconds now. A back off. Into more muti and radio news. Just switch to the Facebook and YouTube and then continue listening to us. Into no ma me now kasa wonwie yana.
And let me cut applications in a door so like a year baby almost 4,000 but Namia Daroma no be like almost 80 and a can't okay. And none of them taking me after 6 months next time application.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. When you're empty, no. Yo, where the yo sister, yeah, that's why. So share there.
Yeah.
That's it. Yo. Bye. Yemre no kona menua be me ana menua ba 1253 ma ya fe na menya no nti me ma ombisa ne question last na fe de ye de dwumene no abewie nti pacho wa homa so.
Hello, pacho Mitchell ya Patrick.
Oh hi, yes, hello.
We de ma brepa na na menya no. Pacho more question you know person lawyers is here. Na pacho lawyer. Because you say at what point, I was a lawyer issue pre-action protocol in my home office on application at HL. And second question is say why review, administrative review, but now we're option still by appeal and as a review, now call for review. As a review, no delay for over 7 months. Ubetina withdraw no appeal now. Patrick, 2 questions in number.
Okay. Lawyer Patrick.
Right. Okay. And normally, no, say, oh yeah, pre-action protocol, and I say, oh yeah, complaint, notice before action, at the home officer. Then the opposite can say home office for aye bibia ene wo mo nhihye no ebo ebra. So typical example delays are ye nyina ye go through. So you feel say the omo ye no unreasonable because the expectation is say nanka oye application no the standard time no 6 months nanka oma ye decision. This is what we knew back then. Senka oye application within that period say oye no ha nanka omotimi make a decision na osusu wahu opposition na we move forward. And you know say wo be yes pre-action na then at least oma ho time kakra na wa say omo ebusa nhihye no so then you do that say the be ya ekwa unim say at least watwen ya to sa omo set standard no ama omo ntimi achieve omo standard no na chese kwa ombetimi anya ho moyama but enade yenim say yes, you still would have the right to complain about or application or achewo. But what they are saying is because of COVID, any the idea bantino, your standard time no crano, say your application under your appendix FM no na for private life and as a family life unfortunately no sir your standard time no apply up to near year can say apply. Inti esese omotena se na omohwehwe application mu ansana omayesa decision no e dey amount. So that is for that. Now, so why admin reviewer? The admin review no say opese ye hwe o case no e dey amount. Inti no that puts on hold your friend is saying appeal process no. It puts it on hold. Now what change decision no amanaba. So person now ukoye appeal now. Then yes, you will do that whilst that is pending. Now no akoye bibia akoka applications eno. Now change decision be free either way ediaba. So that is something you have to choose yourself. Say sana opese oya why administrative review. Unfortunately, almost so I am so much overwhelmed with numerous applications obia pese you review the case at the manner. It is not a bad thing to ask for a review because then it goes to somebody who has a senior role. Now what should now what say the work cannot etasum na etasuma na wa ma ho kwan ama your issue will leave no at the amount. Send to assume they still stand by refusal now. Then you go ahead and then make your application to appeal against our decision. So that is what it is, yeah.
Okay. Yo, enti ye nua bema ye so ye da se lawyer Patrick ye beda wase say wetumi acheche mu ye tiefo na ahwefo em say emre bema ye ho kwan na ahaya na oni esi enti no 11 na bo na ye wie no ye wie ye nyame adoma Ochna, the community and the law. Baso din. I love it when it's getting to weekend because you bet a community and the law where we have enough our ample time for all of you and all of your questions. And make a date with us. Ochna 4 o'clock sharp. BWF Solicitors for Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and all the Instagram and the others. I believe this topic and other ones will be discussing over there. Just join us. Now for questions, nebra questions. Bia opeso bisibia fabra. Obeka niye kaya yenua bema obebisa question. Tin say no benefit awenya wo mu no eye free o abranka okokot na lawyer nim say onkanka obetia teku akakra nti umpe free na opeden. Just join us tomorrow, the community and the law. So lawyer Patrick emreno ko na mom yentumi ma wonko abra won to yemfo anamfa bibi insha yemkoto kuom nti ye ba be sorry enanso na wotwi de na ento nyom ewo yaso mu na yemfa enko pacho adaroma.
Right, into the yenina is a reasonable with vast and say, uwo kromo ha, yes, ube didi, ube sidan, ube yes, near nina ye. Nemum adie bako any here potting. Say why you wadjune na wesi in kitisa ubets na kromo ha. ade a edi kan ehia wo ne se wobɛbɔ wo ho ban ne se wobɛnya bibi a ebedi adanse se woti krom ha wo ho kwan se wotena krom a se wo eno na che se wayɛ wo fapem ne dada se wo yɛ de aka no de aka ho a eno no esuro bia ni akyire mo a mo yɛ applications na sebe mo ho nso no fee waiver no still eye adwuma enti take advantage ewo honom we are having so many decisions coming through omo ayema omo full fee waiver no kra no obi wo ho a na wanya IHS free obi so wo ho a na ye the application no ache no enti no eye adwuma de ehia nse obetimi a kire se ampa se you cannot afford it se wontimi na wonhu asem ka ebeboa wo se obepinchen lawyer pacho men kogina kwanchen nka se obi se we se menia de yi ba na ti se emfa wasem en compare obi de because obia circumstance are different mu cases no enye the same nti saa so na se ye ibua wasem na ye muwa no the same bia na ese but eno nkire se munyina mo ye the same nti wontimi afford a pinchen lawyers na ye moa mo edi 20 years okroma no so munim se akwanya wo ho munyina no mobetimi aye fee waiver applications no nti munye na mo so muntimi enya masetena na afi no utu kwan a unim se onhwe wachi. And then the other thing is ye wo ye nuanom bi wo ho a omo permanent residents ye vignette wo omo passport mu ya bo hu de rosa omo fi se de ye ka with appendix EU ni EUSS no because omo wo eno nti no and apply to omo me pacho menye mistake se why ye wadwene se u betu kwan every UK akọ outsider make sure say why application under the EU settlement scheme whether say o permanent residents and now say o ye EU ni a o sa blue card na che say o ti kroma no make sure say why application amaya ma decision ansa na watu akọ enye sa wo ba on be stop o e wo immigration the likelihood ni say on be ma akọ back yatete insem ni bebre it's happening nti as I say ye serious about it. It doesn't cost you anything in application fee to do that application. No? On the worst case scenario, no, so wuntimi nye by yourself. As I say, open chain, renimni na obwa now yes application. No? But men koboka enku ticket into enko amanone wabra onye sadie no. Yabeda tifo nyina se ma join ne ene. Nyame ya adoma ochina Yenimu besan edieshiemu on the community and the law. Now, yet me I discuss it more of this and then other topics are very, very dear to our heart. Now, most so hiamo. Ichia obibia, ichia the office team, Professor Adai Ase. So wa hold you now, so thank you so very much. And then Oreku Orusu Frempon. I know, sir, remotely, or director affairs, and we're so very grateful to the senior partner in the leadership of BWF Solicitors. Thank you all very much for doing the listening. Same time next week. Catch you. Take care.
Thank you, Lawyer Patrick. Thank you. And thank you all for those who came on board, especially the Facebook and the YouTube. Keep sharing, especially Mami if was sending greetings to hi, Lawyer Patrick. Hope you are doing well. Nice to meet you, BWF. Once again, Hen Blood Not say yes, so he said thank you. Hen says something very thrilling. He said, I keep telling people that each and every one circumstance is different. Hearsay too is a big problem. And me know ya dream, papa. Me know ya dream. Obia ye different. Obia circumstance ye different. Now, obedia who say would the no nebetum until say what to one amo, enti to anamo and kase way ako anye ye ntimi so mekwa enye yi de bi esrobia ne niti. Esrubiani niti. Na yesi, we see no mesremo go to the source. Se obi be katra na nipa kono wadwem ye onyanya wo de bomodia na free law office bia say you've heard this, you are not convenient, and I say you are not okay with this, and I say you are some and do what that particular question. So you want to verify about this particular information. Please, can you elaborate it, and can you let me know the real thing now? the lawyers are there to help you. Nti yenjai we see na buye mind no we see na ayadoso adofo medamase. And then someone you aba manyenate ufre manyetia. I salute you. Nyame adoma the community and the Lord tinano ebeba so den. Next week same time, same place. Catch you. Ciao. Have a blessed weekend.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enu ntine yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni how kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni how kra. Ye bie an office free dwada ekosi fiada anopa no nkrompa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. 793 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.